Welcome once again to our commerce classroom. In our last session, we discussed about different stock levels. In this session, we solve problem.
Our question is this: X Limited uses three materials A, B and C for production of X, the final product. The relevant monthly data for the components are given below. Normal usage in units A, B and C 200, 150, 180. Minimum usage in units 100, 190. Maximum usage in units 300, 250, 270. Reorder quantity in units 750, 900 and 720. Then reorder period in months A 2 to 3 months, B 3 to 4 months, and in case of C 2 to 3 months. Calculate for each material reorder level, minimum level, maximum level and average stock level. Then first of all we have to calculate reorder level. Reorder level is equal to minimum rate of consumption into reorder level is equal to maximum rate of consumption into maximum reorder period. Maximum rate of reorder level is equal to maximum rate of consumption into maximum reorder period. In case of A, maximum rate of consumption given 300 units, 300 into maximum reorder period 3, that is equal to 900 units, 900 units. Units. Then in case of B, maximum 250 into maximum reorder period 4 months, 4, that is equal to 1000 units, 1000 units. In case of B, 200 into 250 into 4, that is equal to 1000 units. In case of C, that is equal to 270 into 3, that is equal to 810 units. C 810 units. Then secondly we have to calculate minimum level. Minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal rate of consumption into normal reorder period. Normal reorder period. Minimum level in case of A is equal to reorder level Reorder level we already calculated it. In case of A, 900 units, 900 minus normal rate of consumption, normal usage 200 into normal reorder period. Here reorder period is given 2 to 3 months. Then normal reorder period is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5. In case of B, 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 3.5. In case of C, 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2.5. In case of A, 2.5. In case of A, 2.5, that is equal to 400. That is equal to 400. In case of A, 900 minus 200 into 2.5. Then in case of B, that is equal to B, 1000, the reorder level minus then normal rate of consumption 150 into, then in case of B, normal reorder period is equal to 3.5, that is equal to 475. In case of B, that is equal to 475. Then in case of C is equal to 810, their reorder level minus normal rate of consumption 180 into 2.5, that is equal to 360. The amount comes to 360. Then nextly we have to calculate maximum level. Maximum level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Maximum level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. In case of A, that is equal to their reorder level, we already calculated it, 900 units plus their reorder quantity. Their reorder quantity is given in question, 750, B 900 and C 720. So 750 100 plus 750 minus their minimum consumption 100 into their minimum reorder period 2 that is equal to 1450. 1450. Then in case of B, their reorder level 1000 plus their reorder quantity already given 900 minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period 100 into 3 that is equal to 1600. That is equal to 1600. Then in case of C, reorder level 810, we already calculated it, plus reorder quantity given in question 720 minus their minimum consumption 90 into their minimum reorder period 2, that is equal to 1350. Then next we have to calculate our average stock level. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. In case of A, that is equal to their minimum 400, maximum 1450. 400 plus 1450 all divided by 2, that is equal to 925. Then in case of B, that is equal to minimum plus maximum divided by 2, minimum 475 plus maximum 1600 all divided by 2, that is equal to 1037.5. We rounded it to 1038. Then in case of C, minimum plus maximum divided by 2, that is equal to 360 plus 1350 all divided by 2, that is equal to 855. That is all about our different stock levels. Reorder level A 900 units, B 1000 units, C 810 units. Minimum level A 400 units, B 475, C 360. Then maximum A 1450, B 1600, C 1350. Average stock level A 925, B 1038 and C 855. I think this problem is clear for all of you. Next time we will meet again. Till then, goodbye.